Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use the ZITHS e-learning platform. This is a lecturer's guide on how to navigate and share content on the platform with students. Yeah, so to get started, how you access the e-platform is you can access the platform through your web browser. You can use any web browser on your laptop, be it a MacBook or PC and all that. So you can use either Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. All these browsers give you access to the system. And the other way you can access the system is you can have a special application that can be installed on the laptop, on a computer, or you can access it using your phone. The special application that you can install on your phone. Yeah, so to get started, for now I think we'll work with the web browser. So to access the e-platform, you need to go through the institute's website, which is in this case, just type in the URL, which is www.zits.edu.zm. Hit enter. Okay. Yeah, it's there. So once you're on the homepage, the website's homepage, the ZITHS website homepage, what you see when you reach the homepage is that we have logos there for ZITHS and a logo for Fairview Hotel. So what happens if you move the cursor around the logo, be it the ZITHS logo or the Fairview Hotel logo, you'll notice that it will be highlighted, meaning if you were to click there, it will divert you, or rather send you to the ZITHS website. Once you move the cursor to where the Fairview logo is, it will navigate you to the Fairview site. So this is just the home page, so it depends on what you're looking for. So in this case, we want to access the e-learning portal, which is on the ZITHS main page. So we'll click there. Yeah. So once you click on the ZITHS page, it brings you to the ZITHS homepage, the actual site for ZITHS. So what you do is once you're on the website, you just scroll down, and the application form is there. You should see somewhere. Okay, here where it says e-learning portal. So once you click on that link there, that button to navigate us to the actual portal, the e-learning portal. So you click there. Okay. So right now, this is the home page for the e-learning portal. Yeah. So to get started, you have to log in. And once you click login there, it should bring a page where you can type in your credentials, your username and password. So each lecturer, each instructor, they will be given a unique password and user credentials that they will be required to enter there to have access to the platform. Yeah, so to log in onto the platform, you have to enter your user details. So in this case, I'll log in as John, which is a lecturer. Okay, So I'm logged in as John Sakala. It's just a dummy account that I'm using. So once you log in into the system, this is the page that you always come up. So there, on the side pane there, we have dashboard, site home, calendar, private files, and my courses. So then your dashboard just shows you, this is the actual dashboard, it just shows you the courses that you are taking in that particular semester. So in this case, Mr. John Sakala is taking these courses. Rather, it's teaching these courses in this semester. Site home is just a site home. It will take you, just show you the home page of the site there, and just a list of all the courses. Drop down this. So yeah. Calendar, this is your calendar, just to show you if you have any activities. So they'll be under calendar, so you can create new events for your calendar. Say for example, if you set tests for your class and all that, so you can configure all that information, so it will be under calendar. So once, for example, you can create a new event and a certain class that you're teaching, and once the students can get that notification saying on such a date under this course we'll be having maybe a test, or we'll have a quiz and all that. Private files, you can upload your private files. Private files can be your lecture notes, if you have any videos, the tutorial videos, you can have them under private files. So you can pre-upload them. Just upload all the files, the necessary files that you need, so that when you want to share whatever documents or any files you have with your students, you just go to your private files and then you share. My courses, this is just a list of all the courses that you're teaching in that particular semester. So in this case, we'll just go back to dashboard. Okay, dashboard. So these are the courses that you're teaching. And you have timeline there. Your timeline will just show you again if you have any activities that you have in that particular semester. It will be outlined there. If you have tests and all that, you find under timeline courses. So all your courses that you're taking in that particular semester. So in this case, say for example, you're taking communication skills. So once you click on communication skills there, okay, let me pick a different course. I think we have some data there. We'll go with the introduction to hotel and tourism industry. Okay, so we don't have any content yet here. Okay, so in this case, under this course, this is where you share your content with your students. So once you click on with the actual course that you're taking, which semester and all that, so this is now where you have to come and share your content. So there you can see announcements. So if you have any announcements, you can share announcements there. And then now this is topic 1, topic 2. You can have all your topics you can upload your module under this. So you can even edit this. Instead of saying topic 1, it could be lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, or you can still add more lessons down there. So in this case, to add content to your course, what you have to do is to click on this tools icon here. So you click there and then to give you options there. So in this case, to add content to your course, you click on turn on editing, because you want to edit. So you click on turn on editing. Turn on editing. Okay. So in this case, now you can add content. So if you see here, it says where it says announcements, you can edit that depending on what you want to type. You can put a title and all those things, or you can add an activity or resource. Topic 1, you can click and there's a pencil sign there, which means you can edit that. You can click on that, on the pencil icon there. Okay, so I can edit that, maybe that's one. Okay, so here we are saying we can add content. So in this case, say under lesson 1, I want to add content for students to access. So I can click on where it says add an activity or resource. So click there. Then I have options there. So what do I want to add? Is it an assignment? Blue button, anyways, I'll skip it for now. You can add a chart, a choice, a database, external tool, feedback, forum, glossary, lesson, quiz, SCORM package, survey, wiki, wiki link, or anything, a workshop, a book, file, folder, all those options, a page, and all those things. So in a situation where you wanted to upload, maybe you have some lecture notes under lesson 1, so or maybe if you have those documents on a document, you have your lecture notes on a maybe a Word document or a PDF file, so you can choose file there and scroll down and you click on add. So you have to make sure you choose file and then you add. And so you can put a name, the file of the item that you want to add. So say maybe lecture note, maybe lesson 1. You can put a description there and what the notes are all about. Yeah, just an overview of lesson 1. You can type in there. Display description on course page. So if you want someone, when they open that course, should the description show or not. So you have that option. You can tick, you can check the box there or not. Then you can select the files, so you can upload that particular file. So in this case, you can actually drag and drop. If you have it on your desktop, you just drag and drop it there, or you can click there to add the file that you want to upload. So it says upload a file. So you remember when I said private files here, we have file, saver files, recent files, upload a file, URL, download the private files, Wikimedia. So in this case, if you already uploaded your files in the private files folder, so in this case you just go there and choose which file you want to share, which resource you want to share in this particular course. So because we didn't upload anything in the private file, so we need just to upload a file. So make sure that upload file is highlighted there, then you choose upload file. So upload file. So in this case, desktop. Can choose any file. So, okay, so maybe I'll just choose that file. Management of distance. So choose that file, and all I can do is upload the file. Okay, so the file been uploaded, but remember, we need to save. So now there are some things that we can choose here to ask you about the appearance. How do you want it to show? Automatic, show size, show type, display, resource description. So all those options, you have all those options. Common module settings, availability, show on course page, hide from students. So show. If you have an ID number for your notes, you can put all that information. Restrict access, you can add a restriction to that, so you can play around. Activity completion, so you can choose all those. So expect completion on when you expect the students to complete that particular lesson, topic 1 or lesson 1. So you can put all that. I'd rather you just leave it open. Tags, competencies, and that's not important for now. So you can say you can continue and save and return to course. So you've shared a resource and under lecture notes. So that's one way of adding an activity. So there are quite a number of things that you can add. So maybe under this lesson 1, those are the lecture notes. You can add if you have maybe a video that you'd want the students to have a look at. You can use the same file to upload. If you have a folder and those things, you can use that. If maybe you have a reference video bit, maybe on YouTube, you can add a URL, or if there's some content information that you want to share with the students which they need to check maybe on another website, you can use URL, the link if you want to post a link. So under maybe under this lecture note, under lesson 1, once the students are done with the lecture notes, maybe you'd want to post an assignment. So you'd add an activity, then you say assignment. So add to give students an assignment. So there you can assignment 1. So you say maybe assignment description of that assignment, the actual question there, what you want the students to do. So you can just put dummy text here, so you can just type your assignment question, anything there. You can, if the assignment is in a file or anything, you can add that document there. If it's in a Word document, you can just leave it to that. So here, allow submissions from, so you can enable when is the due date. So you can say, for example, if today is 4th March, you can say I'll start allowing submissions maybe today is the 4th, maybe would say after 14. So anyone before 14, the system won't allow them to submit that assignment. Due date, you can put a due date. You can say maybe this is the 4th, 6th May. You can specify time. Cut off date, when you want the system to stop showing the assignment. So you have that too. You can enable, you can set a date when you want the system to cut off that assignment. So you use this option in a situation where you would say for example, say the 6th of May is the due date for this assignment, but maybe there's an exception of late submission. So, but you put a description or a route to it saying anyone who submits after the due date, maybe they will lose maybe 10% or 20%, 20 marks from the assignment. So you give an allowance of a day or so, and then you can put a reminder as to when you want the system to remind you when to grade that assignment. So you can choose when you want that. And submission type, so you can specify if you want online text. So this will mean that the students can type in the assignment right onto the on the portal, or they submit a file. So once you say, so if you tick both, means option, students have options of either submitting online text or file submissions. So you can either choose one or both. So file submissions, this means that when they click on submit assignment, they'll be prompted to attach a document to it. They have to upload a document. So if it's online text or both, it means there'll be a part where they can type in their information. So now the other thing is, if you use online text, you need to put a word limit to it. You need enable. So you'd say maybe word limit, how many words should be in that assignment. You'd say maybe 700 words or 3,000 words. That's maximum number of uploaded files. This is when they are uploading files. So you can put whether it's just whether it should be one document, there should be 3, and all those things. Maximum size, maximum submission size of the documents. Here you can specify how big can a file be. So the maximum limit is always 8 MB, so you can have that. Accepted file types, this is where you choose which file types you can allow students to upload. So this mostly I would rather you just leave it open, or you specify on the description of the assignment saying the students can, if it's file submission, can be maybe limited to PDF document, the Word document, such. Feedback types, you can choose feedback types, submission settings, submission group settings, notification. Great. when you're adding a resource, anything to do with an assignment, maybe a test, or maybe giving them to your student, there's something that needs that always needs to be selected. So there's something called a grade book. So you need to specify, because you need to specify whether whatever assignment you're giving them, if it's adding up to their CA or to their exam and so on. So here where it says grade category, so it says this assignment adds up to their CA or final exam and all those things. So anyways, in this case, we need to create a grade book for this particular course. Okay. So yeah, so we're under grade, creating this assignment. So here it said you need to select a grade category. So in this case, grade category is CA. So it adds up to CA. So come to that, then go through all this, but for now they're not important. Just click on save and return.